Most of the digestion and absorption of the food takes place. Correct option is small intestine. The contraction and expansion movement of the walls of the food pipe is called. Correct option is peristaltic movement. Site of photosynthesis in the cells of a leaf is called. Correct option is chloroplast. Correct sequence of the body parts in the human alimentary canal. Correct option is mouth, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. Which of the following events in the mouth cavity will be affected if salivary amylase is lacking? Correct option is starch breakdown into sugar. The exit of unabsorbed food material is regulated by. Correct option is anal sphincter. Name the pores in a leaf through which exchange of gases takes place. Correct option is stomata, which is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Correct option is small intestine. Name the part of alimentary canal where digestive glands are absent. Correct option is esophagus, the mode of nutrition found in fungi. Correct option is saprotrophic nutrition. The gastric juice contain. Correct option is all of these. The process of water loss through stomata is called. Correct option is transpiration. What regulates the opening and closing of stomata? Correct option is guard cell. Which gas enters the plant through stomata during photosynthesis? Correct option is carbon dioxide. Stomata are less commonly found on the surface of which type of plant? Correct option is submerged aquatic plants.